Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dive deep into the world of gadgets and tools that make life easier in the kitchen. Today, we're diving into something essential for every cooking enthusiast out there: the best poultry knife you can find on the market. Introducing the Germany detachable heavy-duty kitchen scissors by Dream Reach. This isn't just any ordinary kitchen shear, it's designed to handle the toughest tasks with ease. From dismembering meats to effortlessly opening bottles, this tool promises to be your new kitchen companion. Crafted from high-quality German stainless steel, these shears are not only durable but also corrosion-resistant. Whether you're dealing with raw chicken, seafood, or even just cracking open a bottle, these shears are up to the challenge. Designed with ergonomic handles for a secure and comfortable grip, making them suitable for both left and right-handed chefs. Dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze after a hectic cooking session. It even includes a built-in bottle opener on the blade for added convenience in the kitchen. Imagine effortlessly cutting through a whole chicken for that perfect roast. Or quickly opening a jar of sauce without a struggle. That's the kind of versatility these shears bring to your kitchen. To sum it up, the Germany detachable heavy-duty kitchen scissors by Dream Reach are a must-have for any serious cook. They're sturdy, versatile, and designed to make your cooking experience smoother and more efficient. Whether you're preparing a holiday feast or just whipping up a weeknight dinner, these shears will not disappoint.
And that wraps up today's review.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!